I'm Mrs. Hasty, and today we're going to have fun with the letter B. Let's start with a rhyme. Butterfly, butterfly, flutter around. Butterfly, butterfly, fly to the ground. Butterfly, butterfly, fly so free. Butterfly, butterfly, land on me. Butterfly, butterfly, fly up to the sky. Butterfly, butterfly, say goodbye. Did you know that butterfly starts with the letter B? How about you go get a piece of paper and I'll get my whiteboard and we can practice writing the letter B. Are you ready to write the letter B with me? Good. Let's start with the lowercase b. That's the one we use the most often for words like butterfly or banana. The lowercase b goes between the top solid line and the bottom solid line. Let's write one together. Down the tall back and bounce for a belly. Let's do it again. Down the tall back and bounce for a belly. One more time. Down the tall back and bounce for a belly. Let's make an uppercase B. An uppercase B is used for very important words like names of cities, Boston, or names of countries, Belgium. The uppercase B goes between the top solid line and the bottom solid line. Let's make one together. Down the tall back, lift up your pencil. Big B gets 2 bellies. 1, 2. Let's do another one. Down the tall back and 2 bellies for Big B. One more time. Down the tall back and 2 bellies for the Big B. Thank you for writing upper and lowercase b's with me today. Now, let's play a game. These are the words from our rhyme today. Butterfly, butterfly. Let's play letter detective and see how many upper and lowercase b's we can find. How many uppercase b's have you found? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 uppercase b's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lowercase b's. Thanks for playing letter detective with me. Did you know a bee can make one sound? Did you know a bee can make one sound? Did you know a bee can make one sound? A bee just says B. That's right. A bee says B, like butterfly. Now, my schoolhouse sort has different items with B's in them. Some of them start with the letter B and some of them end with the letter B. Can you help me tell which start and which end with the B sound? Let's look. Our first item is a Band-Aid. You might have had to use one of these if you had a boo-boo. Band-Aid. Does Band-Aid start or end with the B sound? Let's listen. Band-Aid. Band-Aid. Where do you hear the B sound? Band-Aid. I hear it at the beginning. Band-Aid starts with the B sound. What's next? This is a light bulb. Light bulb. Does light bulb start or end with B? Light bulb. Light bulb. B, b. I hear the B at the end of light bulb. If we're just doing bulb, then bulb begins and ends with B. Bulb. Bulb. Let's see what's next in our schoolhouse. This is fun. This is a balloon. Balloon. Does balloon start or end with the letter B? Balloon. Balloon. Listen for the B sound. B, b. Balloon. Balloon starts with the B sound. What's next in our schoolhouse? Have you ever used one of these? Maybe to wash dishes? We use it to scrub. 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 Do you hear the B sound? Scrub. Yes, the B sound is at the end of scrub. What else do we have in our schoolhouse? This is a bib. Bib. Where's the B sound in bib? Bib. Bib. Yes, this is a tricky one. The B sound is at the beginning and the end of bib. 2 B's in bib. What's our last thing in our schoolhouse? We have a ball. Ball. Does ball start or end with the B sound? Ball. Ball. Yes, B is at the beginning of ball. Thanks for doing Schoolhouse Sort with me today. I hope you can find some things around your house that have the B sound in them. Maybe they start with B, or maybe they end with B. And don't forget, come back again for more learning fun. Keep learning at home by gluing beans, seeds, or cotton balls to bubble letters. Or you can put stickers of something that starts with the letter on the letter. Play match with upper and lowercase letters. And read letter focus books. And there's always printable resources available at my teacher store at teacherspayteachers.com. Don't forget to subscribe.